Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start in the document, open File then Options. You need to access display settings right away. Once in Options, choose Display to see print background colors and images and related checkboxes. Make sure Print Layout is active under the View tab because some backgrounds only appear in Print Layout. Now, uncheck Background Printing if you want white paper when printing, or ensure the document background color is set to white for on-screen editing. This prevents ribbon or page color surprises. Next, go to Design and open Page Color. Select White or No Color to make the page itself white. If a theme tint persists, switch the theme to Office or Reset Colors. Themes can apply subtle background shades. For elements that sit behind text, open Format Background or remove any watermark or background graphic. Those layers override page color. Once done, preview in Print Layout, and in Print Preview to confirm the white background appears both on screen and when printing. To finish, save a duplicate so you can revert if needed, then use Print Preview to confirm the page is white on screen and printouts. If the page still looks dark, turn off Office Dark Mode in File Account by choosing the white theme. Word respects that UI color in some views. For stubborn printed color, open Options Display and uncheck Print Background Colors and Images, and verify your printer driver isn't applying a toner saving or color profile that tints pages.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.